Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Enterprise Rent-A-Car loyalist, you know how valuable those Enterprise points can be. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete process of redeeming your points in 2025. With the program updated for better user experience, it's easier than ever to turn your points into rewards like free rentals, upgrades, or even merchandise. So, grab your device and let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Enterprise account. Head over to the official Enterprise website or open their app. It's available on both iOS and Android. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one quickly. It's free and only takes a minute. Once you're in, navigate to the My Rewards, or Points Dashboard, section. This is where all the magic happens. Next, check your points balance to see how many you have accumulated. It's always exciting to see your total. Maybe you've got enough for that dream road trip. Now, browse the available redemption options. Enterprise has expanded their rewards for 2025, including new categories like exclusive discounts on electric vehicles or partner perks with hotels and airlines. Select the reward that catches your eye, like a free day of rental or an upgrade to a premium car. After selecting, hit the Redeem button. You'll be prompted to review the details, including how many points it'll cost and any expiration dates. Always double-check to avoid surprises. Confirm your redemption, and voila! You'll get a confirmation email or notification in the app. Remember, points redemptions are typically processed instantly, but it might take up to 24 hours for some rewards. One quick tip. If you're redeeming for travel-related perks, book in advance to secure availability. And there you have it. You're now a pro at redeeming Enterprise points in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.